Why, hello. Today should be a little short. Just running through some things with a little updates on the car. I am changing the rear end out. I got a Scott Drake diff coming, they'll cover, and then because we're switching over to 410 gears, 373's in right now. But I might be going back to like, you know, a drag setup. And another car is gonna be welcome to the channel. Well, he's also a part of Pedretti Racing. So let's go check that car out. Yeah. All right, there it is. The next car to Pedretti Racing, a 2013 Boss 302. Let's try to sit up here maybe. Get a better view. Almost fell. Don't laugh at me. But yes, it needs a little bit of a good cleaning. Pretty damn good. SVE wheels all the way around. I know you had to do some custom work to make these wheels fit. This car is actually very effing loud. It's running on E85. It's got some work done to it. Pretty quick. But we are going to be diving into more of this. I know the scoops are on the wrong way. The previous owner did all that, so we're going to flip-flop those around. We're going to fix this back as well on the back window. It's got the big cowl 4-inch. But she looks good, and gotta have it green, you can't go wrong. So welcome Mason Pirtle to the channel. Came all the way up from Oklahoma to Wisconsin. So we have this one now. Steven's Challenger, a part of the channel, and I'm working on another car coming a part of the channel, including the 71 Cutlass. So keep in mind we got a few others as well, people that are gonna be a part of the channel. I want to expand it, make it more a variety. You see a Mustang down there, obviously, but I want to switch it up and add other cars. And then, one more thing. Before we go, like I said, it's just going to be a little short. I got a package over here from Big DOS TV. Well, you know, Big DOS. I did win the S22 phone, and thank you very much for that. It's not like I was, you know, I just won it, you know. So it means a lot to me, especially going through these little times we're going through now. It's kind of a, you know, cheering, uplifting moment. Usually I don't win things. I even go to these big car events around here, and somehow other cars that probably shouldn't win. But whatever. I just don't win things. Maybe it's just my luck. But with that being said, let's just dive in and see what I won. S22, yeah. Now, I do have stuff on here, but it's covered. I don't want people knowing his address, even if that is his real address. We're not going to dive into that. Ugh. And there we go. Pull this aside over here. Man, this thing is wrapped up. And there we go. I decided to rip it all out of the packaging and stuff. S22, brand new phone. Thanks, DOS TV, Mr. Big DOS himself. I appreciate it. It looks clean. It's hot out here, over 100, so I'm not even going to try and take this out. I'll probably smudge it. But yeah, that's pretty dope. And then also big thanks to Sinister Designs for creating stickers for me for my dad's memory, and then for Pedretti Racing, which I have more in the car, so I'm stocked up on these for anybody that wants them. But yeah, badass. All right, it is the next day. 3 valves here. We got the Boss 302s down there. I forgot to tell you guys we are changing the rear end gears. So yeah, we got everything here. Might change this out. I mean, we'll see. Okay. And we're going 410s. Looks nice. Looks nice. And then for the diff cover, Scott Drake diff cover. So yeah, we are going to change up the whole rear end. I got lower control arms coming. The greaser part on, I think this side, is broke off. I know you can replace those and fix it, whatever. These are old and probably been on the car for 8 years. We're going BMR again. Lower control arms. I think I have like an off-brand on here at the moment. I can't remember the damn name. Anyway, we're going BMR lower control arms. I do have a BMR upper control arm, adjustable panhard bar, all the works. But we are going to change the lower control arms. Just because they're old and that greaser part broke off. And we're going to change out the rear end from 373s to 410s and putting this Drake diff in. So yeah, it should be good. little update. Stay tuned, guys. We got more coming.